Hey guys, what's up? Today I will tell you about the responsibilities played by the role of Sergeant at Arms. Before the meeting, every Sergeant at Arms is expected to have counter sheets, timer sheets, ballot sheets, and certificates for winners in sufficient amount. Second responsibility is you will have to go and book the venue if it's not already booked. Third responsibility is you are expected to carry trophies and club standee in every Toastmasters meeting. Now this was all about physical meetings, but since we are having online meetings due to coronavirus pandemic, you don't have to worry much about these factors. Now coming to the during the meeting part, during the meeting you are expected to distribute all the ballot sheets to every member and counter sheets and timer sheets to respective role players, and certificate of winners will be given to the VPHs who will decide the winners after counting the ballots. Now second responsibility is in every Toastmasters meeting you will get to kickstart the meeting as a Sergeant at Arms. And believe me, this is the most fun and the most important part of your role, because you will get to speak in every meeting for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now, third responsibility is you will have to arrange snacks for every member during the meeting break. Now coming to the part of after the meetings. After the meeting, there is nothing much to worry about. You just have to gather all the trophies and standee together and take them home safely. Now, overall, the main role of Sergeant at Arms is to maintain logistics and kickstart the meeting. Still, if you have any doubt, you can feel free to message me. Thank you so much.